Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this is another episode of our Monday Market Update. Came up on the third floor, was going to try and actually get outside and film this, but the weather is pretty crummy, and the lighting is actually awful when I go to the balcony. So anyways, let's jump right into the numbers. So new listings this past week were at 244, sold at 200, and conditionals at 35. So one thing to note, April is done, we are into May, so next week we're going to do a recap of what happened last week in the London, Ontario real estate market. But one thing I do want to talk about that we have seen in the past few weeks that is really interesting and has caused a bit of confusion, and it is around homes aren't selling the way they used to. So there was a time where it seemed every house that was listed had 20 offers. It wasn't really every house, but it felt like it was every house. So what we have seen this past month is we are seeing a reduction in the number of offers come offer day. And we are also seeing a lot of homes, which is come offer day, aren't even receiving an offer. And this has actually created two schools of thought in real estate from a selling or listing agent perspective, let's say. And that is the general consensus that we saw for quite a while was that the market was accepting of a listing price that was drastically lower with the intentions that the buyer pool would bid up the home price. That's changed. And what I mean by that is we can no longer expect that that's the norm, because what we have seen this past month is the buyer pool is almost exhausted from this. So we've actually seen as agents two schools of thought. One is which let's get these prices up to what call it fair market value is based off of what we've seen in the market. And then we also have some people who are also following the traditional way of doing things over the past couple months, which is list very low and let the prices get bid up to crazy amounts. So what's the right and wrong? No idea. That really comes down to the homeowner. In reality, as agents, we are here as facilitators and we are here to give people advice. And those are two options when it comes to pricing right now that both have very different results, and you can't guarantee the results, which is the important thing to look at. So again, if there's anything we can help you with, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, send us a DM. Again, it's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this has been another episode of our Monday Market Update.